Hi, I'm Brian Bach. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with over 30 years in the business. I'm the founder and president of Bach Steam Star here in the Kansas City area. And a popular question I get is, can you do my high-rise apartment? Can we get up into the top floors of, say, retirement communities? And we get a lot of those calls. So the answer is absolutely we can do that. We have ability with the equipment we have with our truck mounted systems to go really pretty far up into buildings and to get up there if we have good access. Okay, and if not, all of our services can be performed with a high performance portable or our high performance hot water extraction of the truck mount. So call us. We can certainly there's a lot of things that affect that answer. Okay, if we can drive up, and if we can get vertical with the hoses and go over balconies or up staircases, we can go higher than you think, more than likely. Obviously security issues, safety issues, all those take into account. So we'll probably come out first and just view the area and see what it's going to take to access yours. Obviously, if you live in a loft apartment downtown or on the plaza on the 17th floor, you pretty much got your answer there. We're going to have to get into our high performance portables, but don't worry, we can do a great job no matter the equipment. That's our job as professional cleaners, is to make sure that it's just as clean no matter what equipment we're called upon to clean. So just call the office number. We do free on location consultations, which include a free quote. So hope to service you soon. Thank you.